welcome back to my channel. Since last class, many of my clients have been continuously requesting for this video called Opportunity Card or Chancen-Karte. Since we had a job seeker visa in our website or in our video YouTube channel, so many of them are requesting for the same, for the us to make a opportunity card overview. So let us understand what is opportunity card. The opportunity card is a resident permit that allows work permit from third countries to enter Germany in order to seek employment. It can also be used to search for the measures to recognize foreign professional qualification in Germany. So it's absolutely a point-based system. We'll discuss that points-based system later, but in the great golden opportunity is only that Indian or Asians are allowed to apply for this opportunities card. It is not allowed for the any other countries, especially European countries, are not allowed to apply for this. So that is one beautiful golden opportunity for Asian to apply for. A point-based system is used to determine whether you are eligible for the opportunity card based on your qualification, knowledge, and circumstances. A minimum score of 6 points is required. You have to score only 6 points based on your educational qualifications. If you are an engineering or doctor or nurse background, then you will directly get a 4 points. If you are below 35, so definitely you will get 2 points. So directly you can score 6 points. It's very easy. I will also discuss that, which are the categories that definitely verify. So a minimum score of 6 points is required for this. If you have recognized vocational qualification in Germany, you can apply for the opportunity card as a recognized skilled workers without having to achieve a minimum number of points. In both cases, you must also fulfill the basic requirement limits listed below. You can apply for the opportunity card online in the consulate service portal or locally at your German missions. When applying online, you can use a points calculations to determine how many points you will receive if your qualification, knowledge, and living conditions, unless you already qualified directly as a recognized skilled workers, you will also be asked whether you will fulfill the necessary basic requirements. And I always suggest you to complete if you have a completion of degree, at least 2 years of training that is recognized by the state in which it is obtained. German language skill at least level A1, or German English language skills at least level B2 should be necessity. So that I would always be advise you to do that. And so we'll also understand calculation points. First, before calculations, we'll understand it is very easy and legal entry to Germany and possibility to German. You can get a permanent resident in Germany, and scheduling your livelihood with securing your livelihood with a good income and immediate work permit you will get after succeeding this. And we'll understand how to do a point check here. Start now. Here you should enter India, right? Once you say, is your country of resident different from your nationality? No. And do you have a qualification that require at least 2 years of completed? Yes, I hold professional qualification, vocational training. I have a university degree. I have appropriate qualification from German chamber. If you have studied, you can choose this. Otherwise, I'm choosing this. And did you obtain your qualification in Germany or in partial or fully recognized there? No, my qualification is not recognized in Germany. Yes, how to recognize, I'll definitely show in this video. Please continue to watch that. Yes, my qualification is partially recognized in Germany. I obtained my professional qualification or university degree in Germany. Yes, my qualification is fully recognized. See, these three will not be applicable because I haven't studied in Germany, or I cannot say that my university is not being recognized by the Germany. So I would always select this one. Okay, how well do you speak German? Yes, I can speak up to B1 level. How well do you speak in English? Yes, I can speak at least business fluent or better C1 level. Between age, you can say between 35 to 39. Do you process work experience related to your professional qualification or to your university degree? Yes, you should be continuing your professions based on your educational qualification. Irrelevant experience will not be helpful. Please do consider that. How many years of experience do you have in the same field is what they're asking. I can provide evidence of 5 years of professional experience within the past 7 years. Yes, this is suitable for me, I'll choose this. And is your formal education is bottleneck profession? Please select from the list or choose no if it does not apply. Natural science, mathematics, engineering. So if you are from any of these things, mathematicians or engineer or natural science, you can choose. Healthcare, it's always good for educational sector. And information technology, or no, I can choose this one. Have you reside locally in Germany for continuous period at least 6 months in the last years? No, I have never lived in Germany or have not stayed there for more than 6 months. Okay, so this will be applicable for me. Do you have a partner who also wishes to enter Germany with an opportunity card? No, I will be moving all alone. So do you have a sufficient financial resources secure your livelihood? At least 12,324 euros per person. So I will calculate that what would be that. So if I copy paste the same amount in Google, euro to Indian currency, that is comes around on an around 11 lakhs, 11 and a half lakhs if you can have. They split it accordingly, like 1,000 change you should be having per month. That is what they're asking. So yes, I have filled the financials means ready with me. Do you have already have a job offer from employer in Germany? If you have, you can say yes. I do not have, so I'll say no. What's your name? I'm putting my name. Once you enter your name and email ID, you just say submit. I'm submitting it. So they say below you find your personal results. Next steps your Chancenkarte application based on your response. So congratulations, earning full recognition score. Likely allow for a immediate granting for the Chancenkarte. You can head over to your embassy or consulate right away and apply. Make sure to have all the papers ready. This information is based on your input. The ultimate decisions on your Chancenkarte applications will be taken by the visa officers, right? So now we'll discuss the document list. What are the documents that you should be having? This is the directly I've taken downloaded from the German embassy or German missions in India. So Chancenkarte opportunity, what are the documents that you should be holding? That is like, you should be having a valid passport issued within the 10 years and at least 2 empty pages should be there for visa, and application form completed with a thing. This we will discuss later. And 2 current identical passport and according to the biometric specifications, and declarations form. So I'll show the declaration form how it should be. Okay, that this is the declaration form. You should enter the barcode, name and address, all these things, and you have to give a declarations form. And I'll close this. If you want any help in this regard, you can always talk to us. Our team will help you. The application form is this, and you have to enter your name, date of birth and first name and place of birth, country of birth and gender, marital status if you are married, yes or no, and current nationality. You have to enter parents name. This is personal information or parents applicant informations. Next comes your professional informations and current address availability and the phone number, email ID, everything you should be adding here. And identity documents, that is related to your passport, you have to give an informations and travel data, purpose of stay and all these things has to be entered here, and type of reference, what where you are going to stay, those informations has to be here. Living expenses, as I already discussed, you should be having 11 lakh at least in your account. So that is what is the clarity that you have to give. Once you fill this applications, you have to submit this along with the other documents. So if you want this to be filled, I already have this in my YouTube channel. You can always go there and see. Otherwise I'll add the link on WhatsApp and in description box. Alright, and 2 copies of passport data page, and proof of sufficient financial means that we already covered that portions, and proof of speccato, that is a blocked account. We already discussed that. Per month it's supposed to be 1000 to 27 rupees into 12 months, that comes around 11 lakh something. And this is a formal obligations letter by the sponsor living in Germany. If you have a sponsor, this will be applicable for you, otherwise no. Statement of current bank account, if you have a current account or saving account, that bank account you have to say. Proof of accommodations, we have already discussed this part detailing in job seekers visa. You can always visit there and see. And such as written invitations by the friend, family, hotel booking or similar, any one of this. If you have a family or friends back in Germany, you can always their help to send the invitations letter, otherwise you can book your own accommodations. So next is proof of vacations or academic training. If you have such bachelor, master's degree or diploma, if it is applicable, you can have a work experience and formal forms of confirmations letter. This all from the previous employers you can provide. And proof of full recognizations your qualifications. So this is what is very important. So we will go into the Anabin website and discuss this, how to check. I just put that later. The Sanabin website is not working. I will help you to get that. If you want the support, we will definitely help you to verify the Sanabin, your educational qualifications. Mandatory trainings, you have either a completed vocational training at least 2 years during this, recognized by the state in which you have obtained, or so educational qualification documents is what they are talking about. Mandatory language certificates, that you should be submitting at least A1 level of German language, recognized by Goethe institution, or Austrian language diploma, or any one of this supposed to be from the German language. And another one is current English skills on the level B2. It's very easy to obtain. Either you can go for an IELTS, TOEFL or at ATLE. These are the recognized certification they're asking for. This is a mandatory language skills that you're looking for, and the point or obtained it for. Partial recognized vocational qualifications, we already discussed this, how to check the points. So you can check that and take a printout of that, and proof of indicating above your mandatory language skills. And the language, if you are showing that language skill is level C, then you have to show that certificate of language certifications. Work experience connections with the qualification, at least 2 years of with the 5 years more points, and 5 years within the 7 years proof in the form of employers references or certificates of the employment. These are the mandatory things. If your qualification is one of the shortage occupations, this will be checked with the visa sections on the basis of document that are already part of the applications. If your age is below 35 to 40, the limit time of application, previous stay in Germany, those proof you have to give. Proof that you have resided legally in Germany for a continuous period of at least 6 months in the first 5 years. Example of such stay include study, language, work stay for the purpose of tourism or visiting people, or not count certified any purpose that you have visited Germany. That proof you have to give, either flight tickets, arrival stamp, or anything that you can give. Regardless of option 1 or 2 applied, you please also always hand in duly signed motivational letter, and what type of work you are job you intend to do. This is a motivational letter that you have to give. If and since when you learn Germany, if you have already applied jobs and or have applied already been invited to the interview, those proof you have to give. Please attach the proof of job application for the invitations, and why you intend to move Germany, so you have to give a cover letter also in that. Then comes resume or cover curriculum vitae. If you're already 45 years of age or older, you will be turned 45 in Germany to seek a job. Attach declarations in regards to provisions for retirement duly signed. So if you are above 45, nobody applies, I guess. If you're applying, you have to give that, and you should be having at least 49,830 rupees as in a proof of fund. So it's quite heavy amount. see that if you are able to do that. That's all for the documentations part. So overall glance, once again we review partial recognition of foreign educational qualifications, especially the same applications the case of the regulated professions if compulsory measures are still required for the license to practice such educational qualification. Will get the 4 points directly, and qualification in shortage occupations we can go and check here, right? So you, if you are there in the list of shortage link, you will get 1 point, right? You can always check here. There is lot of shortage of occupations here. If you want this link, I will always share in our description box. You can go through it, right? That is manufacturing, mining, constructions, and informations and communication technology, professional service managers, and again service and engineering professionals, life science professional, engineering professionals, all these things. So if you are there in this list, then you will directly get 1 point. Professional experience, so if you have a proof that you have at least 2 years of professional experience, you directly get 2 to 3 points. Language skills, if you have proven that A2 level and B1 level of English language or B2 level of your English language, then directly you will get 1 to 4 points directly. So age, if you are 30 to 40, for in between, you are in between 30 to 35 to 40, then directly 1 or 2 points you directly get it. If you are below 35, then you will get 2 points. If you are above, I mean after 35, then you will get 1 points. Related to Germany, then if you have resided legally for educational purpose or tourist purpose, directly you will get 1 point. Joint applications, if your spouse is applying along with you, then you will get 1 points directly. So that's all. If you already have a job within like before going, then you get certain point for that. So if you have a job, then you need not to show proof of fund. If you do not have a job, then you should show the proof of fund. That is a clarity. I think I have covered almost all the points. If you have any doubts, you can always approach us. You can call us. Our team is there to help you out. We'll give our website details and the email ID and contact list. You can always contact for this opportunity card or Chancen-Karte. Congratulations. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.